All right, this is a simple grooming brush from Lilpep, but it's got a little bit of a hidden secret that I absolutely love. I'll tell you about it in just a second. First thing though is, simply put, like most of these bathing brushes, you've got your long side here, which is perfect for massaging in shampoo. But the secret is this other side, which they call their massaging brush side. And so in a dry environment, when your dog's out of the when your dog's dry, maybe just laying on the couch is a great way to brush through their hair, give them a little pet massage. But the great little trick with this is if you've got a shedding dog, this side works great for just picking up hairs off of the sofas and things like that. Just run it over there a few times, and the small bristles that are on top of these medium-sized bristles do great at picking up dog hair. So if you got a pet and you're looking to spoil them a little bit, use this side for bathing them. You can give them a little bit of massage, but also don't forget, this is a great way to pick up dog hair. Check it out. It is made by Lilpep.